Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS-1582. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your charger only works at a weird angle, you're not alone. This common issue often arises due to a faulty charging port, which can occur from wear and tear over time or from a buildup of debris. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage to your device or even prevent it from charging altogether. To fix this, you'll need a few basic tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement charging port, and some isopropyl alcohol with a cloth for cleaning. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your MSI MS-1582. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once you've successfully removed the back cover, locate the charging port on the motherboard. You will notice it's usually secured with a couple of small screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently lift the charging port from its place. Be cautious, as there might be some delicate cables attached that you don't want to damage. Disconnect these cables carefully to avoid any mishaps. Once the old charging port is out, take your new charging port and align it with the mounting position. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they fit snugly. Once everything is in place, secure the new port with the screws you previously removed. Now, it's time to reassemble your device. Place the back cover back onto the laptop and press down gently until it clicks into place. Before considering the job done, it is crucial to test the new charging port. Plug in your charger and check if it charges without needing to be at an awkward angle. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep the charging port clean and avoid yanking the charger out at odd angles. Regularly inspect the charger and cable for any signs of wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.